my, listen to that Italian sausage sizzling. Stay tuned if you want to see what I'm making. Channel, The Baking Diva, and happy Lasagna Day. Yes, did you know today was Lasagna Day? Yes, it is. And I am participating in a Lasagna Day collaboration. And this collaboration was organized by my good friend Jim Kitch from Jim Kitch's Kitchen. And I'll put that up on the screen for you. And we have a whole group of content creators that are going to put all different kinds of lasagna recipes up for you today. And I'm going to read you a little poem I made up. It's not a poem, it's a riddle. And I think it's perfect for the recipe that I'm going to share with you today. Now remember, this is going to be called Hashtag Lasagna Day 2023. You can tab on that, and everyone that participated in this collaboration, you'll be able to see all their recipes. So I want to thank you, Jim. If you haven't been over to Jim's channel, make sure you go and see him. He not only makes fun recipes, but he is a hoot and a half. We all love Jim. Alrighty, so let me just tell you what I was thinking. I thought it was kind of cute. In a pot that simmers slow, Italian sausage puts on the show. Ravioli layers, one by one, a crock pot delight when all is done. What am I? Ta-da! I am making for you today what I am calling Ravioli-Zagna with Italian sweet sausage. It's so easy to make. I'm making it in my slow cooker. You just put everything in there and voila! It comes out so good. I have my little Italian apron on for you that says pasta. And so without further ado, what do you say we get started? Now, if you saw the beginning of the video, you saw I was frying up some loose, sweet Italian sausage. Oh, it smells so delicious. So I have done that prior to the video, and I have that aside. All right, so what are we going to need? Well, first of all, you need a slow cooker. Then you're going to need some non-stick spray. So I have some here, any type of your choice. And I'm going to spray the inside of my slow cooker. Okay. Put that over here. All right, now what are we going to do first for our Ravioli-Zagna? So after we browned our sausage, we're going to take some marinara sauce. Now I'll put the recipe down below there in that more or description box for you. I love Rao's. That's my favorite. Next to Rao's, my second favorite is Victoria. But you can use any kind of marinara sauce that you like. You're going to need 24 ounces, and this happens to be a 24-ounce jar. So let me open this. Oh, let me open this. Let me try again. Let me do my Old Faithful. Oh my goodness, there you go. I heard it pop. All right, so after I sprayed my slow cooker, I'm going to put half of this jar of marinara sauce in the slow cooker. I might have to stand up to do this, but that's okay. You can see my cute little Italian apron. And I am Italian, in case you're wondering. So half of that sauce, half the jar is going to go right in there. I think that's about half, yeah. Okay, now you're going to need some frozen raviolis. Yes, they have to be frozen. So any brand you want. We're going to use cheese raviolis. And these, I happen to get 2 13-ounce packages. You're going to need probably about, well, 2 packages of these. So I'm going to open this. And I'm going to put a layer of these frozen raviolis on top of the marinara sauce in the slow cooker. I might have to move over here a little bit to do that. I'll try to take a picture so you can see the inside of the slow cooker. I'm working solo today, so this is going to be perfect. This is so easy to make. You don't have to boil noodles. And I know they sell those noodles in the package, those no-boil lasagna noodles that you bake in the oven. But trust me, this is fix it and forget it. Make it, set the timer, and walk away. And it's so easy. Look how easy it is. I'm making this. So 1 layer of my frozen raviolis, which is turning out to be one of these bags. So let me move those around. Okay. Very nice. Okay, now I brought over the sausage that I cooked in the frying pan. And if you have a lot of oil, drain it out of there, but actually I don't have hardly any. So I'm going to put my sweet Italian sausage on top of these raviolis. Now honestly, this is so delicious, but if you don't like sausage, I have also made this with ground beef, so you can do that too. But today we're using some nice Italian sausage. That's right. Okay, looks good to me. Let me move my frying pan out of the way. Now I'm going to put my remaining raviolis over the sausage. All you're doing is layering. It's so easy. And I should tell you, when you're done and you're looking over everybody's Lasagna Day recipes, if there's anybody you haven't subscribed to, including myself, we'd all love to have you on board. Just hit that subscribe and that little bell, notification bell, will say all, and that's it. So let me put the other layer of, my hands are clean, of these raviolis on top of my sausage. You can see how easy this is to make. I've had it several times before, and it is delicious. And honestly, nobody's going to know how you made it. You have that ricotta cheese in here. You have your pasta. You have your sauce, your meat. I mean, you have all the ingredients you would for a lasagna. And I'm sure there are an awfully lot of people that own slow cookers. So I thought I would make this for you. And some of our content creators that are participating in Lasagna Day, I think they might even be making dessert lasagna. So that'll be fun. All right, so I put the other layer of raviolis on top of there. Now we have half a jar left of our marinara sauce. I'm gonna pour that over the top of the raviolis. Smells good and it isn't even cooked yet. Oh, yes, here we go. Perfect. Perfect. All right. What you're going to need, I'll reach over here. What you're going to need is some mozzarella cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese. What an 8-ounce packet. So I am going to shake this mozzarella cheese all over the top of the sauce. You can buy any brand you want. This happens to be Kraft. It was on sale, but any one you want. I don't use the low moisture one. I like the whole milk one, but you can try it either way. So let's sprinkle this on top. And I'll take another photo to insert for you so you can see that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is our dinner tonight. So everybody's going to be happy about that. Break that up a little bit and just spread it all over. And that's all there is to it. I'm going to put my lid on it. Okay. How simple was that? And I'm going to set my slow cooker. I'm going to set my slow cooker on low for 3.5 to 4 hours. But I will tell you, the last time I made it, it was fully cooked in about 3.5 hours. So you can just check it. So let me get my slow cooker on low here. Let me put my timer on. I'm going to set it for the 3.5 hours. There you go. And that's it. We're all set. Now I will tell you, if you should decide that you want to make this with ground beef, when I've also done that, you can chop up some onion. And when you're sauteing your ground beef, you can put a little salt and pepper and onion in there. But I didn't need that for the sausage because it's pretty tasty. All right, so I'm going to go and have a nice cold drink, relax a little bit. I have some laundry to do, and I'll be back when this is done in about 3.5 hours, and we will do a taste testing. So don't go away. Okay, everyone, well, it looks like our Lasagna Day meal is all ready for us to do a taste testing. And remember, the name of this is Ravioli-Zagna with sweet Italian sausage, all right? But before we get to the taste testing, I want to just give you a little bit more information about our collaboration. So Jim Kitch from JimKitchKitchen organized this collaboration for Lasagna Day, and he's got quite a few people that are participating in it, and they're making everything from savory lasagna to sweet lasagna. So don't forget, when you're finished watching my video, click the link in the description box and it'll take you to a playlist of everybody that participated in this Lasagna Day collaboration, and you can go and visit all their channels and see what lasagna they made. So once again, Jim, thank you so much for organizing this. You know everybody loves you, and like I told everyone before, you're such a hoot. So if they haven't subscribed to your channel, they better go over there and do it. And as well as me and all the other content creators, we'd love to have you on board so we can show off a lot of our recipes to you. So, enough blah, blah, blah. Let's do a taste testing. It looks like it's done to me. It smells so good. I'm hungry. I'm gonna have to stand up for this one. Looks delicious. Oh yeah. It's very hot though. Falling apart. It's too hot to eat, but that's okay. Oh, look at the sausage in there. Oh yeah. So, it's taste testing time. And if it tastes anything like it smells, this is a big hit. So here we go. First, let me taste a little bit of this sausage. Oh yeah. Oh, it's hot. Good. Very good. Everything comes out good in your slow cooker. Taste it. So good. Perfect. Tastes exactly like lasagna. But we're calling it Ravioli-Zagna. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't don't forget, go watch everyone else's and have a happy Lasagna Day. So thanks for watching. I'll see you all very soon. Have a great weekend.